Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best TIG welders that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have AHP Alpha TIG 200x 200 amp IGBT AC/DC TIG stick welder. AHP is another great option if you are looking for reputable brands of electric welders. The AHP Alpha TIG 200x TIG welder is the second product in this article and it offers a decent welding performance. This 200A TIG welder provides the support for both AC as well as DC modes. And as you would expect, this allows you to weld 1/4 inch aluminum as well as 3/8 inch mild steel without any issues. Just like the previous TIG welder, this one also comes with advanced inverter technology with PWM using IGBT technology. You can even precisely weld thinner gauge metals using this TIG welder. Moving on at number 4, we have Lotto's TIG 200 AC/DC 200A AC/DC aluminum TIG welder. Lotto's is a comparatively affordable brand of electric welders. And this is also true with this Lotto's TIG welder. The Lotto's TIG 200 AC/DC TIG welder is the third product in this article and it offers great performance at a decent price. Just like the previous option, this is also a 200A welder that has both DC as well as AC modes of welding. And you can even use it with 110 volts or 220 volt supply as per your needs and requirements. You get other useful features like a foot pedal and argon regulator in this TIG welder for high precision. You even get an inbuilt square wave inverter that is quite useful for welding aluminum. At number 3, we have Primeweld TIG stick welder. Primeweld is one of the top-rated brands of electric welders available out there. And it even makes various TIG welders, including the one present in this article. The Primeweld TIG 225X TIG welder is the first product in this article and it is one of the most powerful options present in the list. This is due to the fact that it offers a high peak power consumption or an amp rating of 225A. Highly customizable AC and DC TIG welder with settings for AC frequency, pulse frequency and duty, starting current, welding current and many more. As a result, you can use this TIG welder for welding 1/4 inch aluminum and 3/8 inch mild steel as well as 7018 and 6013 without any issues. Another great thing about this is that it works with both 110 volts as well as 220 volt supply without any problems. At number 2, we have Hitbox Arc Lift TIG welder. Hitbox is a relatively small brand. Nevertheless, it develops superior performance and affordable TIG welders that will get the job done. Some of the other products of the brand include arc welders, MIG welders, and plasma cutters. The Hitbox Arc Lift TIG welder comes with an amp rating of 200A that generates enough power to weld not only carbon steel, mild steel, and galvanized pipe, but also stainless steel. Using this, you can weld 2.5 mm to 3.2 mm rods for a long time to create the preferred joint. With the EMC anti-interference feature, you can weld the materials effectively. This TIG welder works only with an AC supply of 220V. It consumes low power and works efficiently. With 85% duty cycle for arc welding and 50% duty cycle for TIG welding, this welder can sustain damages and offers a long service life. And finally at number 1, Yeswelder TIG 205 DSHF welding machine. Yeswelder is a popular brand that specializes in providing high-quality welding machines, protective gear, tools and accessories. Their TIG 205DS has made to our list because of its quality and durability. It is equipped with IGBT soft switch technology which increases the duty cycle. This TIG welder is efficient enough in running a 530 seconds rod with tungsten electrode. It is adjustable from 10 to 205A as it produces flawless TIG results. This welding machine ensures non-contact arc initiation which reduces tungsten. It weighs around 13 pounds that features a convenient handle. It can be easily transported from one place to another. It is also equipped with several safety features including voltage fluctuation, under voltage protection, overload protection, over voltage protection, and overcurrent protection. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.